If you're a fitness enthusiast, you need PFPB. Let's dive into how it can supercharge your journey. Hey there, fitness fam! Are you tired of feeling sluggish and run down? Want to fuel your body with the perfect food for optimal performance? We've all been there. Low energy, brain fog, and struggling to reach our fitness goals. But what if I told you there's a game-changing solution? Introducing PFPB, the perfect food for the perfect body. With PFPB, you'll experience increased energy and endurance, enhanced mental clarity and focus, supports weight management and lean muscle growth, boosts immune system and overall well-being. Ready to fuel your body with the perfect food? Click the link in my bio to join the PFPB community and start your journey to optimal health and performance. Thanks for tuning in, fam. Here is my link for more information. Don't forget to follow me for more health and fitness tips at PFPB. Perfect food. Fitness motivation.